Hi everyone! Welcome to Module 3 of our Python Robotics GUI course using Tkinter. Today, we're going to learn how to properly lay out and style your GUI, make it look clean and friendly, and prepare it for real robot control. Let's get started. We start by importing the Tkinter library and creating the main window. This is the window that will hold everything else. We're giving it a nice light gray background and enough space, 500 by 400 pixels, to fit all our controls and images. Let's add a title at the top so users know what this app is for. We're using a bold Arial font, setting the text color to blue, and matching the background with the window. Let's show a cute little robot image just below the title. Make sure you have a 50 by 50 pixel image named robot.png saved in your Downloads folder. We use a raw string R, so the Windows file path works properly. This adds a bit of visual charm to your GUI and makes it more engaging. Now we want to add our control buttons in a separate box labeled Movement. We use something called a LabelFrame for that. LabelFrame works like a container with a title. We set padding inside with paddx and pady to prevent widgets from being too cramped. Inside this frame, we'll use grid layout to place the movement buttons like a gamepad. These 4 buttons are laid out in a T-shaped formation using row and column numbers. Forward goes at the top center. Left and right go in the middle row. Backward sits at the bottom center. Each button has a custom color. Green equals forward. Red equals backward. Orange equals turning. Finally, we add the main loop. This keeps our app running and listening for events, like button clicks or window close. Without this line, the window would open and close immediately. With main loop, the app waits and responds to user interactions. Let's quickly review what we did in this module. Set up the main window with a custom size and color. Added a header label. Displayed a robot image. Grouped buttons in a label frame. Used grid to position buttons like a remote controller. Added main loop to run the app. In the next module, we'll connect the GUI to your Raspberry Pi Pico board so these buttons can actually control your robot using serial communication. Try customizing the layout yourself. Change the colors, try different fonts, or even add new buttons like dance or stop. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hands-on robotics content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Module 4.